In this video, we're going to talk about the Google Advanced Search. So up here, I just typed in Google Advanced Search, and when I click on that, this window pops up. So say I want to search, let's say, coding in mathematics. And if I just type search, okay, we're going to get all kinds of stuff, in there. But if I go back to the advanced search and I can, narrow things down, I can make sure it's in English because I don't want to, have to read a different language because I can't. Region, we can focus on the United States, or you could do anywhere if you wanted to get a more global look. I'm going to focus on the US. There we are. Site or domain, I'm not really going to specify anywhere in the page. Last update, I'm going to say with the past week. Okay, this is something that I really, really like because it makes things relevant. I hate having to search for stuff, especially if I'm looking for something and it is like from 2004. I want stuff that is up to date, I want it relevant, and I want to know that it's something that isn't old material. So I'm going to go to advanced search, and you can see some of these options. You can sift through them, but I mean there's a bunch of options. So what we could do is we can go back. Oh, I didn't realize up here we have where you can change these things as well. So maybe I want to do like past 24 hours and specify, even more, with my filter. So I can take a look through there. Sort by relevance. I can sort by date. All results. So there's a bunch of ways that we can search all of these things. So in the advanced search, so we could do, exact word or phrase. We could say coding in mathematics. Down here, it says terms appearing. So if you want it anywhere in the page, or maybe you want it in the text of the page. Another option you could change is the file type. So right now it's any format, but you could change it to PDF. There's Google Earth, there's Excel, there's PowerPoint, there's Word. There's all kinds of options. So for right now, I'm just going to change it to PDF. And usage rights, it says I'm going to select free to use or share. We're going to go to advanced search. And it says that nothing matched. So we're going to go back and we're going to change some stuff. So I'm going to get rid of the exact words, and I'm going to select any format, and I'm going to search. And then we have a couple of options, and again, it's past 24 hours, so that's not a lot of time. So I'm going to do any time. Actually, not any time. I'm going to do the past year. And then you can see, all of these, and you can sift through this information and take a look. Okay, so another thing I want to take a look at the advanced search is videos. So, you can go through all this stuff and look for advanced search for videos. And again, this kind of ties into maybe YouTube. If somebody, is having a hard time with something, they could search a video, maybe, get information about something, like here's a Coding Math episode 1 intro. I mean, there's so many awesome things at our fingertips, and that people don't realize that you can specify and save yourself time. Instead of sifting through things, you can set these filters and use these settings and tools.